How to make a fishing rod in Terraria. So you cannot just grab fish out of the water with your bare hands or a regular bug net. You strictly need a dedicated pole and supply of bait to cast a line. So first is you can craft the absolute most basic wooden fishing pole using exactly 8 blocks of any wood at a standard workbench. So I'm just going to go to a workbench right here, and if you check out your crafting menu, you will see the wood fishing pole with 5% fishing power. So it requires 8 wood to craft and requires bait to catch fish. However, you absolutely should not rely on this weak tool for long. You strictly must upgrade to the reinforced fishing pole using exactly 8 iron lead bars at an anvil. Let's go to an anvil right here. So I already have my 20 lead bars. So let's see if we can craft the reinforced fishing pole. So as you can see, you will need any iron bar. So iron bars and lead bars can basically be substituted by each other. Or you could also forge a Fisher of Souls or Flesh Catcher using exactly 8 Demonite or Crimton bars to significantly increase your total fishing power. Second is having a rod is completely useless if your inventory lacks bait. So you absolutely must purchase a bug net. So I have one right here. I also have my fishing rod, and you can get the bug net from the merchant right there. So if I shop, you will see the bug net just like that. Once you have the bug net from the merchant, you can catch worms, fireflies, or grasshoppers on the surface. Next is stand near a body of water that is at least 75 tiles deep. So I'm just going to go through the oceans for it to be easier. After that, select your rod, and whatever bait is in your inventory, it will use it automatically, as you can see right there. And just basically click to cast, just like that. Now if you see this like bubbling effect, you can click again to basically catch whatever is right there. So let's try it again. And as you can see, I got some tuna. So let's try it again. Let's see what we'll get. So a trout. So you can just do this again and again. So you could also get some wooden and iron crates, which provides a massive amount of early game ores, potions, and accessories without ever needing to mine. And that is how I basically make a fishing rod in Terraria.